You ever try to lug a 36-pound box across a grassy field just to get the party started? It is a serious workout. But when that box houses a speaker with enough raw power to rattle the windows, the sweat is definitely worth it. This specific unit is a total powerhouse. We are talking about a beast that is designed for one thing and one thing only: pure, unadulterated volume. It dominates the space with a gigantic subwoofer that feels like it could create its own weather system. If you are looking for something subtle to play background music in a quiet library, stop right here. This machine is built for the high-energy chaos of a backyard bash or a crowded gym. It comes with rugged all-terrain wheels and a telescoping handle because you are not carrying this thing by hand for very long. It feels more like moving a heavy piece of luggage than a piece of electronics. One of the first things you notice when you fire it up is the light show. The light system syncs up with the rhythm and creates an immediate visual energy. You can even jump into a dedicated app to mess with the settings and get the colors just right. But we need to talk about the actual sound. It is incredibly loud. Like, fill an entire public park loud. The bass is the star of the show. It is deep, heavy, and hits with a lot of physical pressure. However, if you analyze every single note, you might notice things get a little muddy. The mid-range frequencies can feel a bit crowded. The high notes do not always sparkle with that crisp clarity found on high-end systems. It is a trade-off. You get massive impact at the expense of delicate detail. For a high-energy party, nobody is going to care about the technical curves. They just want to feel the floor move. The package is surprisingly complete. You get a wired microphone and a sturdy, adjustable tripod right in the box. This makes it a perfect choice for announcements or a chaotic karaoke session. But here is the kicker. This massive unit does not have an internal battery. You absolutely have to find a power outlet. That changes the game for outdoor use. You cannot just drop it in the middle of a beach without a very long extension cord or a generator. It is a stationary powerhouse. Despite that, the consensus is positive regarding the sheer value. You get a massive amount of equipment for the price. Just be prepared for the size and the wire. It bridges the gap between a home speaker and a professional public address system. The build quality feels sturdy enough to survive some bumps during transport. Just keep that app handy to tweak the equalizer when the bass gets a little too overwhelming. If you need to fill a massive space with sound and light, this is a heavy hitter that delivers. It is all about the energy you bring to the event. This speaker just makes sure that energy is felt by everyone in the room. It is big, it is bold, and it definitely demands your attention. It creates a focal point for any gathering, making it much more than just a simple audio playback device. This is for the people who want to be heard from 3 blocks away and look good doing it.